You're thinking about buying a Ninja Professional Plus blender. It's everywhere. It has a 4.7-star rating on Amazon and promises restaurant-quality power for your kitchen. But before you spend over $100, you need to see this. I bought it, I used it, and I found some serious problems that you won't see in the ads. For the best price, click the link in the description. Today, I'm giving you the brutally honest review of the Ninja Professional Plus. I'll show you the good, the bad, and the frankly baffling design choices. We'll talk about that powerful 1400-watt motor, the Auto-IQ technology that supposedly does the thinking for you, and whether it's actually worth your money. But here's what surprised me right out of the box. The build quality feels different. It's lighter than I expected for something with that much advertised power. Therefore, my first question was, is this sleek design hiding some shortcuts? The curiosity loop opens right there. Let's dive into the unboxing and first impressions, because this is where the first red flag waved at me, quietly, like a blender trying to blend a brick. It comes with the big 72-ounce pitcher, the stacked blade assembly they call total crushing, and a recipe book. Everything looks modern, but assembly is where the fun begins. That stacked blade system. You have to very carefully align it and screw it onto the pitcher. It feels finicky. Therefore, a mini promise. I'll show you why cleaning this specific part is my biggest complaint with the entire machine. Open loop. Can a blender with such high ratings really be that annoying to maintain? Okay, let's talk power. The Ninja Professional Plus boasts 1400 peak watts. That sounds like it could blend a bowling ball, and for some things it delivers. Crushing ice? Absolutely. It turns cubes into snow faster than you can say margarita. Frozen fruit for smoothies. No problem, but here's the contrarian snapback. That power comes with a volume. This is one of the loudest countertop appliances I have ever tested. We're not just talking blender noise. We're talking, I can't hear the TV in the other room noise. The neighbor's dog started howling noise. Therefore, if you have a sleeping baby, a roommate, or just a low tolerance for industrial-grade sound, this is a massive problem. It's so loud it made me question my life choices. I used it once in the morning and felt like I just started a lawnmower in my kitchen. Let's move to the star feature. Auto-IQ. This is the tech that uses timed pulses and pauses to supposedly create perfect smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream at the touch of a button. It sounds brilliant. No guesswork, but here's the twist. The programs are preset and rigid. You push smoothie, and it runs for a set time. What if your smoothie needs 5 more seconds? You have to stop it and manually pulse. So much for no guesswork. It often overblended my green smoothies into a thin, oxidized soup because I couldn't interrupt the cycle. Therefore, the intelligent program felt a bit unintelligent. It's like a chef who only cooks one way, regardless of the ingredients. Open loop. Does this convenience feature actually make things less convenient? Now, the big one, cleaning. They advertise the pitcher and blades as dishwasher safe. Technically true, but that stacked blade assembly is a food trap nightmare. Spinach stems, strawberry seeds, tiny bits of chia pudding, all get lodged deep between the layers of those blades. You have to either risk your fingers trying to pick it out or run it through the dishwasher and hope. I've had to clean it with a toothpick. For a $110 blender, that's unacceptable. It's the most common complaint in the lower star reviews, and after using it, I completely understand why. It's a design flaw disguised as a feature. So, we have power with deafening noise, smart programs that aren't so smart, and a cleaning ritual that requires archaeology tools. But is it all bad? No, not entirely. Here's the resolution act. For large batches, the XL capacity is fantastic, making a pitcher of smoothies for a family, great. The crushing power is real for ice and frozen fruits. If you need a heavy-duty ice crusher and volume is your main goal, this does that job well. However, for daily single-serve smoothies, it's overkill and annoyingly loud. The wide pitcher base also means you need a decent amount of liquid to get things moving properly. unless you constantly stop and shake it. Which, by the way, you shouldn't do while it's running, unless you want a kitchen wall painted in kale. Let's talk value. At $109.99, it's in a competitive spot. You're paying for the Ninja brand name and that raw peak wattage number. But for a similar price, there are quieter blenders with easier cleaning and better controls. The 4.7-star rating is high, but dig into the reviews, and you'll see the same issues I'm highlighting. Noise, cleaning difficulty, and the auto IQ being a bit gimmicky. Therefore, my final verdict. Who is the Ninja Professional Plus actually for? It's for someone who needs to crush ice constantly for parties, who doesn't mind the noise, and who has the patience to clean those intricate blades. It's a specific tool. But for the average home cook looking for a reliable, easy-to-clean daily smoothie blender, I think you can do better. The problems outweigh the raw power for most people. It's a loud, messy, powerful beast that hasn't fully evolved past its cave-dwelling ancestors. It's trying to be smart, but it forgot the simple stuff. To wrap it all up, the Ninja Professional Plus is a classic case of specs on paper not matching the real-world experience. It has power, but it screams. It has smart programs, but they're inflexible. It's dishwasher safe, but you'll still be picking food out of it. If your main goal is crushing ice into oblivion and you have earplugs, go for it. But for a pleasant, hassle-free blending experience every morning, I'd keep looking. It's not a bad blender, but it's a problematic one. And for that price, you shouldn't have to make those compromises. Therefore, if you want to check the current price on Amazon for yourself, or if, after hearing all this, you still want to tame this loud beast, I've left a link in the description below. It's the best price I could find. Thanks for watching this honest review. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more no-nonsense product breakdowns. See you in the next one.